Our next question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So what he is asking here, minus 150 is there or not in this progression they are asking. Okay, just let us think minus 150 is there. Okay, if the minus 150 is there means we have to get the value of n. Okay, we have to get the value of n. So let me check first. So given that minus 150 is there in this progression or not. Okay, first we have to think minus 150 is there. Yeah, minus 50 is there and it is a nth term. It is a nth term. And what is A? A is 11 and D is T2 minus T1. So that is nothing but 8 minus 11 minus 3. We know A value, D value, Tn value or An. So we have to find the value of n. Okay, see An is equals A plus n minus 1 into T. So A means this A value, D value substitute here. In this you will get the value of n. So I am not explaining the solution and elimination what it may be here. For finding n, you got the n value is 51.3. Can you say it is a 51.33 term? No, we cannot say. The n is compulsory. It is a countable number, means natural number, means we got here some fraction number or decimal number. Then we can say n is not in this progression. We can say that n is not in this progression. Okay, suppose you are asking what is the roll number, means what will you say? My roll number is 6 or 7 or 9, like that will you say? So my roll number is 9.37543. Can you say like that? No. Same like this. Here also we got 51.33 something na? So we can say that directly minus 150 is not in this the given AP. Okay, next question. Find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Yes, it is also like elimination method. We'll get the two equations. Then from that equation we can find the value of A and D. We can find the value of A and D. Then if we know A and D and N, we can find T and T31st. Okay. So first what is given? A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is equal to 73. And we have to find A31. Okay. First what is given? We'll write the equation. We know the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. See here An or Tn both are same only. Don't think anything. Yeah. First A11 means A plus 11 minus 1 into D. 11 minus 1 means 10D. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Equation 1. A plus 16 minus 1 into D is equal to 73. 16 minus 1, 15. A plus 15D is equal to 73. We got the two equations. So with the two equations we can do by elimination method. We will get the value of D and A. If you know A, D and N value, how many terms we want? That many terms we can find. Here we got D value, and if you substitute here any one of the equation, you will get the value of A. Okay. Then we want A31 means A plus 30D. Substitute A value and D value, you will get the value of T31. So once again I am saying I am not explaining how to eliminate. I have already you of it in the last video. Now going to the next one. Yes, what is asking? If the third term of the and the ninth terms of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Yes. So what they are asking? A3 is given, A9 is given. From these two equations we can find A value and D value by using elimination method. Okay, see already you know the sums, that's why I am not explaining completely. Yes, you will get the value of A and D. Okay, so after getting A and D value, substitute this A and D value in this means which just we have to take Tn is equal to 0. An is equal to 0 or Tn is equal to 0. Yes, An is equal to 0. An means a plus n minus 1 into t. A means here we got the value of 8 and we got the value is minus 2. So a value, d value I am substituting here. We got the n value is 5. So fifth term is in the given progression is 0. Okay, next. The 17th term of an IP or exceeds its 10th term by 7. Here we given one condition. 17th term on AP is exceeds by 10th term by 7. So what is 7? Nothing is there. Just he is saying that what he is saying T17 is 7 more than 7 more. Yeah, easy way here. Just observe here. 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. Means T17 is equal to T10 plus 7. So T17 is how much? A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus A. A gets cancelled. Then 16D, 9D coming to the side, minus 16D minus 9D means 7D. 7D is equal to 7. 7 gets cancelled. D is equal 1. What he is asking? Find the difference. Find the difference. Yeah, here what is given? Two APs have the same common difference. Their 100th terms, the difference their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? Here what is saying? Two progressions are there. Those 100 terms difference is 100. Then what is the difference between 1000 terms? See here, this is one AP, here is one more AP. Here 100 term is here, here 100 term is here. These two difference is 100. Then here 1000 term is there and here 1000 terms is there. Then what is the difference between these 2000 terms? Then we can say directly 100 only, but we'll see the question. Answer once again. So let the first AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D and so on. And the second AP is B comma B plus D comma B plus 2D and so on. So what is given? Those 100 term difference is 100. First we will find the 100 terms. 100 term is what? A plus 99D. In this 100 term is what? B plus 99D. The difference A100 minus B100 is equal 100 is given. Okay. So here A100 means what? A plus 100 minus 1 into D means A plus 99D. Here B plus 100 minus 1 into D, B plus 99D. So this minus this given as 100. So this minus this. So A plus 99D minus here difference is common. In this progression and in this progression he said the difference is common. So 1990 gets cancelled. So A minus B is equal to 100. So keep the right side. Next what is given? The difference between the 1000 terms we have to find means A1000 minus B1000. A1000 means what? A plus 999 D minus B plus 999 D. Okay, A plus 999 D minus B plus into minus 999 D. These terms will be cancelled. We will get the value of A minus B. So already we got value of A minus B is 100. So this is also 100. Okay. Next. Yeah, here simple question is that how many 3-digit numbers are there divisible by 7? First we have to know what are the 3-digit numbers. 100, 101, 103, 104 and so on. Okay. So 100, 101, 102 and so on. Okay. See here 100, listen here. First multiple of 7 is 105. Next 112. How can we get, just adding 7 to each term will get the multiples of 7. The last term is 994. Yes, by seeing only we can say, sir, it is in AP, sir. Okay. And before that we questions we find n value, same like that only. Here a value is given, d value is given. A value is given, d value is given, tn value is also given. So can we find the value of n? Yes, we can find the value of n. Listen here. The given expression we make as a progression. So the progression is AP. In this AP, A value we know, T2 minus T1, D also we know, Tn also we know. We can find the value of n. By substituting this equation, we will get the value of n. Okay. So there are 128 multiples are there, which are divisible by 7. Same question. They are asking how many multiples are 4 lie between 10 and 250 they are asking. So 10 and 250, same here also. Here generally they are asking 3-digit number, but what they are asking between 10 and 250. So 10 no, 11 no, 12 yes, 12, 16, 20 and so on. These are the multiples. Till where it will come? 248. Same like before only. If we do, you will get the answer. You will get the value of n. So once again I am saying, I am not explaining completely. Why? Because if you know the method, you can do all the sums easily. So you should not depends on anyone. And I am showing these answers. After completing the question only, you should check the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.